Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to draw this pen icon and this flat background with two colors. So let's start. I'm going to start with a new artboard, file new, and then start my favorite 640 into 480 size. I prefer RGB colors. Here it's RGB. Create new artboard. First I have to start with this background and then I'm going to draw this pen. So for the background I need to draw a circle. I take this ellipse tool and then click on the artboard. I take 200 into 200. Okay. Yeah, I think I need a bigger one, so I need to hold shift and scale it like this. Now I need to cut it into two parts, so I'm going to use the pathfinder tool. For that, first I'm going to draw the rectangle. Take the rectangle tool and then draw it like this. While you are holding the mouse, you can see that Illustrator helps you with showing the center of the circle. And then now I need to cut this shape, so I'm using selection tool and then select both of them, and then in pathfinder I'm going to select divide. Simple as that. So I need to remove additional parts. When you use the pathfinder divide tool, the entire image gets into a group, so I need to ungroup it first. Group and remove these additional parts. So now I have a circle with two halves. So first I need to, let's see the final design, give these two colors. For this half I prefer to give dark color like this, and then for the other I'm going to give another color, maybe a lighter version or like this. I can go for more colors here in the color mixer and then change as I need. Change it a little bit like this. I think this color looks good. Yeah, that's it. So I'm going to remove these strokes, so I'm going to select both of them. In the stroke panel I'm going to click on this color and then go for none. Yeah, so now I have this perfect background, and next I'm going to draw is the part of the pen. Here I need to draw this pen. So there's a rectangle here, and then there's this compound shape here with a circle in it. So let's draw this step by step. First I'm going to draw this rectangle. Take the rectangle tool and press here. Take it like width is 20 and height is 80. Yeah, it's good. I need to scale it, so I'm pressing shift key and then scale it like this. When you press the space key down, you get this pan tool, and then you can move your artboard to left and right. So with the selection tool I have my rectangle for the pen, and I need to draw the pointer part. So I copy this rectangle, hold in the alt key and then drag it here. Nice. Now I need to change this. So for that, first I scale it down like this to make the pointer. Hold in the alt key to zoom in. Yeah. Now I need to draw that complex part. Take the pen tool here, and then along the path I can add anchor points. So here I'm going to add this point 1. Sorry, skip. Yeah. Select this and then take the pen tool. So when the cursor changes into the plus sign, you can add one here, and then also I'm going to add a path here as well, the both sides. So and another one in here, center part. So now I need to check with the direct selection tool that if my anchor points are aligned. So I'm going to select both of them, only the anchor points, and click the align icon, align this one, vertical align center. So now you can see they are perfectly aligned. So now what I want is to make this shape, to make it a bit broad here. So actually I need to add another 2 points here, here and here. Yeah, and I need to align them as well. Select them and align. So with this I select one here and then press with arrow keys, and same amount here. It looks good right now. And then for this, to make arrow like this. So if I need to change its shape, I'm going to select all these 4, then press the down arrow key. You need to practice this a little bit so that you can draw any shape as you wish. And then this is the shape I have drawn so far. So now I need to add a circle to the center. So I'm going to take the ellipse tool and then draw it here. Yeah, you can see it actually here, they are same color. Now I need to use them in white background. So these 2 objects need to be given white color. Give them fill color white. Yeah. Then I'm going to select all those 3 and then press Ctrl G to make a group, then move here. Now I rotate this to perfectly match and scale it down. Yeah, I think that's it. This is the final design we get. Hope you enjoyed my video, and please subscribe my channel for more videos and like and share this video. Thank you.